Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Manyam, and I don't usually look this messy, but I have been working since the morning. See, I've been working since the morning. I'm just taking a short break now. So I thought maybe I should do the intro for this video. A few weeks back, I got my first ever order for a cafe. Okay. And I was almost successful at delivering it. Yes, almost successful. You want to know why I'm saying almost successful? For that, you'll have to watch the video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the client had ordered 12 plates and 12 cups with saucers. In this video, I'm not showing you the throwing process, but if you're interested, I have already put out a video on how I make these plates on the wheel. You can check it out after this video. These are the plates and these are the cups and saucers that she had ordered. Pieces are out of the kiln, and now I'm gonna be sanding them, and then I'm gonna wax the bottoms. So to sand my pieces, I use this sanding paper. All of this will be gone after sanding, and it will make a smooth surface. Going to salons is such a humbling experience because they'll be like, रुको रास्ता थोड़ा खराब है, रुको, जो भी कमी आपका अंदर है वो सब निकालेगा. They'll be like, आपका बाल इतना फ्रिजी लग रहा है, इतना ड्राई लग रहा है, आपका स्किन तो अच्छा लग रहा है लेकिन हाथ में बहुत टैन है. When she was massaging, I'm not even kidding, I cried. आंसू आ गया था, इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. I couldn't sleep yesterday. I kept waking up because I was so anxious about this firing. It's 145 degrees Celsius. अभी तक बहुत समय है रूम टेम्परेचर में पहुंचने के लिए, but I can't wait. So let's do it. बहुत डर लग रहा है. Please. 1, 2, 3. Oh. It's still very hot. Ow, ow, ow. It's hot. Okay, pieces are out. Just have to quickly clean this up. I have to drop it off in the evening. And even these cups turned out cute. Really happy with the blue cups, but ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकते कि सब कुछ इतना इजीली हो जाओ. I don't know इसको क्या हो गया. This pink glazes did me bad. They did me real bad. But now I have to redo them again. And did I mention that these are for a cafe? And do you know how exciting that is for me? My first ever order for a cafe, because they thought of someone trusting in your work to be a part of their space. It really means a lot. It really means a lot. I mean, I'm really sad about this. I have to redo the pink ones. That's quite sad, but it is what it is. I'll drop the order first and I'll go and catch up with my friend Mercy. It's been, I think, 1 साल हो गया उसको नहीं मिलके. So yeah, I thought it'll be nice to catch up with her. So it is quite unfortunate and honestly kind of embarrassing that I could deliver 1/3 of the order, but currently I am working on the pink ones and hopefully I will be able to deliver it very soon. So rock your body.
Look at Barry. Come on, look at Barry, look at Barry. मेरा मून का मेरा देश में ये पतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, जिसके पास तेरी शादी है, तेरी आप मेरी तन, Janaman, Janaman, Janaman.
की
Yay!
भारत माता की
Yay!
भारत माता की
Yay!
So I think only a road trip can heal me now. So that is it for this video. Currently I am traveling, so I'm gonna be back at my studio soon, and hopefully I'll be able to make more videos for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.